Right, how to launch Learning Ally on your Chromebook. So we're going to go to the launcher, which is in the lower left-hand corner. We're going to click on it. We're going to open up our applications. You might have multiple pages. Look for your application by scrolling through these tabs on the side. I'm going to open up Learning Ally. Okay. We are going to search for a new book, so I'm going to click Add Books. It is going to take you over to the internet portion of this application. Okay, so I am going to look for a book that I want. Let's say all right, so here are my Harry Potter series. If I see voice text over here, that means it's going to be the voice plus the text on the screen. So I'm going to have my whole book in the Learning Ally application. If I see classic text, that means that I'm only going to have the audio version. I will not have any words on the screen. All right, so I'm going to add my book to bookshelf. Then I'm going to close out this portion of the app. Then I'm going to click Update My Books. And then if you'll notice, my book is now downloaded here. Okay. It takes a while to download. You have to be connected to the internet to download your book. But once it is downloaded, you do not need to be connected to the internet. You can get Learning Ally on a tablet, on a phone. It does work on a desktop. It just downloads differently. But you do not have to be on your Chromebook to do this. Okay, I'm going to open up a book that I already have.
SpongeBob SquarePants.
All right, so the book that we have, this is a classic audio, so you're going to notice that there is not any words on the screen. We have our traditional play buttons, fast forward, rewind, skip 30 seconds. We have our settings button. We can come over here. We can adjust our volume, the speed of the reader. We can decide if we want our jump forward buttons to be 20 seconds or only 5 seconds or 30 seconds. And the same thing with the backwards. You can turn on image description. So if you have a book that has pictures, like if you're looking at an anatomy and physiology book or a history book, it will describe the images to you. And then it also has audio playback. And then we have our text features. This is extremely important if you have vision problems. You can make your text as large or as small as you need. You can change the spacing of your words. Okay. And then you can also adjust how it sits on the screen. Okay. If you are an Erlands, if you have Erlands glasses, you can adjust the color of the text or the background, and then you can also adjust the color of the highlighting. Okay. Over here we have a bookmark. This will bookmark our pages. We have page numbers, so you can go directly to a page. So if you're working in a textbook and this isn't a fiction book that you're reading for pleasure, you can go directly to the page number. So if you click table of contents and your teacher tells you that you need to go to page 20, chapter 2 on page 23, you can go to page 23 this way. Okay. I'm going to go back to my dashboard. This is our regular dashboard for Learning Ally. It's nothing fancy. Everything's pretty simple. Like I said, you can find over 80,000 books in Learning Ally. Not everything you need will be here. if there is a book that you are really wanting to read, or if it is meant for one of your classes and you're just having a hard time finding it in Learning Ally, you can contact your teacher or Ms. Harris, and we will look into seeing if I can find it in Learning Ally or if I can get it another way.